Make a great choice today with the 2008 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, dual exhaust, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cloth upholstery, reclining seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.